Okay, so this is Georgia, who's just come and completed the live model part of the permanent makeup training course for Katy. So Georgia, you actually booked the course it's about 3 years ago in the end, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was actually, and then obviously COVID happened and it got sort of backtracked and stuff, but I've finally done it.
Excellent. And obviously you've got a background, you are used to dealing with people, because what do you do at the moment?
I'm a dental nurse.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm used to sort of being at the top of the face anyway.
Yes.
Just moving slightly up, but yeah, it's actually, when I came here I was actually really panicking. I was thinking, oh my god, I don't know if I could do this. But when we then got the first client in, it felt quite natural.
Really?
Sort of holding the tools and stuff, so yeah, it was fun.
Brilliant.
Enjoyed it.
Excellent. And actually, how have the live models gone? Because obviously we've done lots and lots of different models, done lots of different brows and liner treatments and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
So how did you actually, what were the clients' reactions to starters?
They loved them, thank goodness, because I was panicking. I think, please like them. When you give them the mirror, it's quite like you're anticipating what they're going to think. But yeah, they loved them. So, and we obviously done the eyeliner and eyebrows.
Yeah.
The liner is, I would say, more difficult because it's so close to the eye.
Yeah.
So it just makes you've just got to be like, extra careful, make sure you've got the right grip and
yes.
things like that. But yeah, it was very, very fun.
Excellent.
Very enjoyable.
And today's clients, I mean, just focusing on today's clients, you had a client in this morning who, she was a brand new client actually, wasn't she? Never had anything before.
Yeah.
And she had both treatments.
And she wasn't even that nervous, to be honest, so I think that was quite nice, because I'm not then worried about how she's feeling as well.
Was that because you were feeling a bit more confident because you'd done a couple of treatments?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. And I then sort of already knew the routine of how to do the measurements and the drawings and then the tattooing and things. So yeah, it was fun.
And she wanted to come book straight back in for all the other treatments as well, lips and lower liners and everything, didn't she?
She's on the list now, isn't she?
Always a good sign.
Yeah.
And how have you actually found the training, like the live model part? Because obviously you've done the theory part, you've been practicing for a little while, and you've had a couple of years wait as well. So it's been such a big build up to the whole thing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And how did you find sort of having Kate next to you the whole time? And was that?
Yeah, it was good actually, because when it's more sort of, I would say, the pressure of sort of the tattooing. It's hard to sort of know how hard you're meant to sort of put in the pressure on, and then Katy will come in and sort of then show you how much pressure to get that ink sort of deeper. Yeah. And then you start to sort of get the gist of how much pressure you need to put on. But the first one I was very gentle.
Yeah. As
Not much ink went on there. But yeah, I've got used to the pressure of how much you need to put now.
But it just goes to show as well, the more practice you have, the better you're going to get at it, and the more models.
Definitely. My mum's going to be my first client out of the training.
As is a lot of people's.
Yeah.
And actually, on that note, have you got many people sort of lined up for treatments?
I've got a lot of friends and family at the moment.
Yeah.
And then hopefully, obviously, word of mouth as well, and then setting up my Instagram page and Facebook page and website and things.
Yeah.
Hopefully, I can get more sort of in my diary ready to...
Yeah, through word of mouth and start taking those before and after pictures. And,
definitely.
Excellent. Well, it's been great having you here. It's been a long time coming, but we're finally there.
It's worth the wait.
Excellent. Well, that's always good. And we'll look forward to catching you once you've done your first part of your case studies, and we'll see you very soon.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Cheers, Georgia.
Thank you.